We are at Royal Enfield Company store at Hyderabad, and यहाँ पर सारी most of the female riders from Hyderabad are here, and reason is to celebrate Women's Day. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं उनसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, but there is one thing this vlog is related to is why do they ride? What kind of satisfaction? What is the motivation behind the riding? So that I would like to share with you all. So let's go and talk to them. Hi guys, she is Seema, a very good friend of mine. Seema, Women's Day है, मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ और नहीं पूछूंगी क्यों बनता है, क्यों सेलिब्रेट होता है, but I just want to know, why do you ride?
To live.
To live.
Basically, for me, it's a part of me.
Okay.
It's a part of me.
Okay.
Seema can only ride. So what happens is when I'm riding, what I feel is it's not freedom, it's not confidence, nothing. It's a mix of everything. But it's the feeling of going with the wind. And the wind is maybe behind me when I'm riding. And you are riding, you're not bothered about what others are thinking, what is happening, what is going to happen. Will there be an accident? No, nothing. Actually, your thinking process stops there. You're not thinking. No thinking. Just riding. That's what you said?
Living. Yeah, great, Seema.
It's just imagines a lot of confidence in me. It just feels that I'm independent, I'm more free. Like when I just ride bike, it just gives me a kind of confidence into me. Because from my family or from in my background, I've always been taught that that you're a girl, so you can't do all of this. So I just procrastinated. I went against them and I learned all this. So it's kind of confidence.
Yeah.
So that's the main thing. So that's the only reason I ride for. So it's just for my self-happiness.
I ride because I feel confident when I ride actually. I like the feel when I ride, and basically I used to see my brother riding bikes all the time, and I have started going to these trips with him, and I see a lot of girl riders there, and that's what keeps me motivating, and I get inspiration from them. And then I started learning, and then I understand that even I enjoy riding. So that's how I just started learning. Maybe I'm just in my second gear right now, but I'm sure one day I'll be also a girl rider coming on.
Riding is actually my passion. Bike is actually my passion. So it gives me so much pleasure out of everything, like the work and everything goes around us. It gives the pleasant mind for us. So I feel that pleasant and peace of mind. For the peace of mind, I ride bike.
Okay.
To get up in the morning, rush for the job, come back, repeat this thing again and again. Biking has helped me break this monotony. It has taken me to a transcendental mode. It is something that has helped me realize what a Susigar life feels like. Happy woman.
Riding gives me, utmost happiness. So it makes me so happy when I ride it. So
I ride bikes because I feel very happy. Like I'm more passionate about riding. When I ride it, I feel like I'm flying.
Love the roads. I love the sand smell. I love dusting. I love getting tan, taking D vitamin, and most importantly, new people, new life. हर एक राइड में एक नया वाला सीख लेते हैं हम.
Yes, a lot of learning during rides.
Lot of learning and lot of adventurous, unplanned things को कैसे संभाल करना ये सब होते हैं.
Why do you ride?
I ride for self-confidence. I ride मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आता है.
Okay.
बहुत स्ट्रांग लगता है. मैं भी किसी से कम नहीं हूँ. I feel that थोड़ा फेमिनिज्म घुसा हुआ है मेरे में. तो स्टार्टिंग में बोला था तू नहीं कर सकती, तू लड़की है. तो उस मामले में मैंने सीख लिया ना.
I ride because it gives me a feel of being independent and freedom. That's the reason I ride.
Oh, great. I ride just for the fun of it. I love riding. Riding gives me a sense of independence, and I feel very strong when I ride. Simple.
I hope you have heard everyone. So finally, the conclusion of this interaction is there can be 100 of reasons for these ladies to ride. But there's one thing which is common in everyone, and that is passion. So let's respect their passion and let's not be judgmental and keep supporting them, keep riding hard, keep rocking, girls. You guys are the best. Look at these lovely women.
Do they need empowerment? No. They are already empowered. They don't need a certificate of sustenance. They are real women who is imperfect, flawed, quirky, weird, yet beautiful and magical. Happy Women's Day to all lovely ladies out there. Let's celebrate ourselves every day. Cheers.